Modern house design with tropical architecture combines the sleek, minimalist aesthetic of contemporary design with the practical and beautiful elements suited for tropical climates. This fusion results in homes that are not only visually stunning but also comfortable, sustainable, and in harmony with their environment. The facade exterior in modern tropical architecture plays a crucial role in defining the aesthetic appeal and functionality of a home. It serves as the first point of interaction between the building and its environment, balancing visual appeal with practical considerations suited to the tropical climate. The entryway of a modern tropical home serves as the transition point between the external environment and the interior living spaces. It is not only a practical necessity, but also an opportunity to make a lasting first impression. The living room is the heart of a home, serving as the primary space for relaxation, socializing, and entertainment. In modern tropical architecture, the living room design emphasizes openness, natural light, ventilation, and a seamless connection with the outdoors. The dining and kitchen areas are central to the home, serving as places for cooking, eating, and socializing. In modern tropical architecture, these spaces are designed to maximize functionality, comfort, and aesthetic appeal, while taking advantage of the natural environment. The garden in modern tropical architecture is an extension of the living space, providing a lush, serene environment that enhances the connection between the home and nature. Garden design in this context emphasizes the use of native plants, sustainable practices, and features that promote relaxation and outdoor living. bedroom in modern tropical architecture is a sanctuary that combines comfort, aesthetics, and a seamless connection with nature. Designed to provide a tranquil and restful environment, the bedroom integrates natural materials, ample natural light, and efficient ventilation. Bedroom in modern tropical architecture is a sanctuary that combines comfort, aesthetics, and a seamless connection with nature. Designed to provide a tranquil and restful environment, the bedroom integrates natural materials, ample natural light, and efficient ventilation. Modern house design with tropical architecture offers a unique blend of contemporary aesthetics and practical, sustainable features suited for tropical climates. By emphasizing open spaces, natural ventilation, the use of natural materials, and the integration of indoor and outdoor living, this architectural style creates homes that are comfortable, beautiful, and in harmony with their environment. Open floor plans are a defining characteristic of modern tropical living rooms. They create a sense of spaciousness and allow for flexible use of the space. By minimizing interior walls and barriers, open floor plans promote airflow and enhance the connection between different areas of the home. Open concept design is a hallmark of modern tropical homes, creating a seamless flow between the dining, kitchen, and living areas. This approach enhances the sense of space and promotes interaction and connectivity among family members and guests. Using native and tropical plants is fundamental in creating a garden that thrives in the local climate and requires minimal maintenance. These plants are adapted to the tropical environment, ensuring resilience and sustainability. Maximizing natural light and ventilation is crucial in creating a comfortable and inviting bedroom in a tropical climate. Large windows, sliding doors, and strategically placed vents are essential components.